Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the easiest way to auto-fit columns in Excel. By the end of this, you'll know how to quickly adjust column widths so that every column is just wide enough to display all your data. No more, no less. Let's jump right in. There are a few ways to auto-fit columns in Excel, but we're starting with the simplest method. It's quick, easy, and works like a charm every time. First, we need to select the columns we want to adjust. Let's say we're working with a table that spans from column B to column G. To select these columns, click on column B, hold down the left mouse button, and drag your cursor across to column G. This highlights all the columns we want to auto-fit. If your table includes a lot more columns, there's an even quicker trick. Simply click on the top left corner of the sheet. You know, that little box where the row numbers and column letters meet. This selects all the columns in the sheet at once. Use whichever method works best for you. The results will be the same. With the columns selected, hover your cursor over the border between any two column headers, those letters at the top of each column. Watch closely. The cursor will change to a special resize icon that looks like this. Now here's the magic. Double-click with your left mouse button. That's it. Excel automatically resizes the selected columns to fit their content perfectly. Each column is now as narrow as possible, while still showing all your data. No clipping, no wasted space. How cool is that? If you'd like to learn other ways to adjust column widths in Excel, we've got you covered. Check out our tutorial, How to Resize Multiple Columns in Excel, 3 Most Common Ways. The link is in the description below. And that's it for today's quick Excel tip. Did you find this helpful? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.